In this video, I'm going to show you how to update IBKR desktop. Now, the first thing that I want to tell you is that whenever an update is ready and available, whenever you open up IBKR desktop, you should automatically see the prompt to actually update their IBKR desktop app. Now, if you don't get this and you know for a fact that there's a newer version available, what you can do is when you open up this login page, you can go to more options down here and make sure where it says change version is on latest, okay? If you're in beta or anything else, make sure you go onto latest, and then you can just go ahead and close it and reopen it, and it's going to take effect. What you can also do, in case you have your program open, just simply close it down and relog back in, and that could possibly update the app. But if that still doesn't happen, there's also one more way to do this. So you want to go to IB Interactive Broker's official website, and you want to scroll down over here to where you can basically see the download options. There we go. Here it says IBKR Desktop. Click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to download IBKR Desktop again. And what you should do here is you want to go to latest, and it's going to tell you which version that is. So for me, here it's version 1.4F, which is latest. You want to click on here, of course, your operating system. I'm going to click on Windows. You want to download this, and when it downloads, basically just reinstall it. And then that way you will have the most fresh and then the newest version. And you can then use that, and it's going to be updated to the current update. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.